welcome to my channel Wonder Maths Education. So today I am going to start chapter 5, that is concept of index. Our last part, that is chapter 4. Have you seen the video? If not seen, please go to our description box, there the link is given below. Please follow it. So the chapter name is concept of index. So does you know that what's the meaning of index? If not known, please follow it. That what's an index? Index is the power or the base of the power. That is, if we write 10 to the power 5, then 5 is the power or index, or it can be said index also, not only power, it also be said index, and 10 is our base. Okay, have you understood it? Power or index is the thing that we write in power form, that is 10 to the power 5 or 10 square or 10 to the power 3 or 10 cube, anything. Okay, that's the index. So in this chapter, exercise 5.1, I am going to start from exercise 5.1 to exercise 5.8. So firstly, I am starting from exercise 5.1. So in the chapter 5.1, number 1 is, let's expand the following in index of 10. 1 is 8275. Here we have to write 8275 in the index of 10. Means here, like the number 806 in your given example in your book. 806 means 8 into 10 square plus 0 into 10 plus 1 into 6. As this form, we have to write these following 4. Okay, 4 numbers. That is, firstly is 8275. Second is 90925, and the third is 12578. So without wasting time, we are going to the solution. So let's start. So in first, that is 8275 means 8 into 10 to the power 3. But have you understood that why have I written 10 to the power 3? Because in these 4 numbers 8275, the following numbers follow 10 to the power 3 or 10 cube, 10 square, only 10. Or you can say in numerical order only, that is tens, thousand, hundred and ones. Okay, in this form I have arranged this 8275 and had factored it as an index. That is 8 into 10 to the power 3 or 10 cube means 8000. Okay, 8000 plus 2 into 10 square means 200. So 8000 plus 200, our result is 8200. Then we have to add with 7 into 10, that is 70. Then what's the result? Our final result is, here only our result is 8270. But here last the ones is 5, so we have to add it only 5. Okay, but the ones place, that is 5, we have to not multiply anything over the ones, that is 5, because 5 into 0 means 0, so we have to keep it as it is. Okay, so we have to plus only 5. Then the final result will be 8275. Okay, have you understood all? Then I am shifting to Roman 2, that is 90925. Okay, so here how many ones are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 means 10 to the power 4. In this chapter concept of index, you have to remember one thing, that however the numbers are going on, the tens place is to be denied as of the descending order. Now see, here the 10 to the power 4 and here 10 to the power 3 means the number in the index is decreasing, not increasing, because the numbers are decreasing in an order, and so the 10 square or the 10 ones will be decreased. Now if in case of this, it's 0 in the middle, 90925, you have to write 0 into 10 to the power 3. You would not have to cut this out. In this method, 0 will have to perform a great value, so you will have to not omit 0 and have to write 0. But 0 into 10, we know 0 multiplied by anything gives us the result 0. But in this case, concept of index, 0 plays a very vital role, so you have to write 0. Okay, now 9 into 10 to the power 4, 0 into 10 cube plus 9 into 10 square plus 2 into 10 plus 5 gives us our result 90925. Then comes our Roman 3, that is 1257, not 8. This is only 18, I have mistakenly written it. This is only 18. Okay, 12578, that is 1 into 10 to the power 4. Because how many ones or tens place in our number are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have to write 10 to the power 4 at first. Then we have to add 10 to the power 3. Then we have to add 10 square. 10 to the power 1 or only 10 and plus 8, the ones. So 1 into 10 to the power 4 plus 2 into 10 to the power 3 plus 5 into 10 square plus 7 into 10 plus 8 gives us the result 12578. Okay. Now in our Roman 4, that is the number 7858, gives us how many ones place are there? 1, 2, 3. So for 7, which should be multiplied at 10 square or 10 to the power, that is 3 or 10 cube, because the ones place you can see that is 3 remaining, 858 only. Okay, now 8 into 10 square plus 5 into 10 plus 8 gives us the result 7858. Okay, now we are shifting to exercise 5.2. So in the chapter 5.2, that is number 1, 100 is equal to how many 10 square, or how many 10 square gives us 100? How many 10s gives us 100? We all know that 10 into 10 or 10 square gives us 100. Yeah, also number 2, that is 27 equal to 3 dash, meaning we have to write the 3 power, meaning how many 3's should be multiplied, or how many power, or how many 3's we have to multiply to get the result 27, or how many 3's we have to multiply to get the index of 27. And in number 3, 125 is equal to 5 dash index, meaning how many 5's of index should be multiplied to get our result 125. In this method you can see that all your sums are same. So I will show only solution, that is questions and solution each part. So I am not repeating all the questions as you can see. So I am shifting to the solution. If you want this video's Bengali version, please comment. I will try my best to do. Okay. In exercise 5.2 solution, that is 100 is equal to 10 square, or 10 into 10 means 10 square, that is 100. Okay. Now 27 is equal to, we know the 3 into 3 into 3 gives us 27. Now how many places of 10 square, how many index are there? 1, 2, 3. I have written in this pattern to understand in a very easy way, because I will understand you every shortest method in my channel. So how many 10s are there? 1, 2, 3. So which will be the index of, or the power of 3, that is 3 cube. Okay. Now 3 cube gives us 27, and therefore 125 is equal to 5 cube, because that 5 into 5 into 5 gives us 125. Now how many 1s are there? 1, 2, 3. Now 5 cube. Okay. Now 32. How many 2's will give 32? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Meaning if we multiply 2 5 times, we will get the result 32. Or how many times we have multiplied 2? That is 5 times. Or that will get our result, or the index, that is 2 to the power 5. Okay. Now we are shifting to number 5. Number 5 is the number, that is 343. Or how many 7's will give us 343? That is how many numbers of 7 we have to multiply to get the number 343. That is, you can see that 1, 2, 3, meaning 1, 2, 3. Multiplying 7 3 times gives us the result 343. Therefore the power of 7 will be 3, or 7 cube. Now 121 or 11 is to be multiplied 2 times to get the result 121. So how many times 11 is multiplied? 1, 2. Therefore 2 times 11 is multiplied. So the power of the result will be 11 squared, because 11 into 11 we all know 121. Also you can you have noted that 11 square or 11 into 11 is same. Okay, is equal. Okay, is equal. Also 11 cube or 11 into 11 into 11, it is also same, because 11 into 11 into 11 gives us 11 cube, because the times we multiply 11 or the digits gives us our power, that how many times we have multiplied that number or the digits. Okay, and the number in 7 comes 625. Therefore 5 have to be multiplied how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 times 5 is multiplied to get the result 625. Therefore 5 to the power 4 is equal to 625. Now here in number 8 it's written that, I will show your book, 2 cubes means how many 2's to be multiplied to get the result 2 cube. Okay, I have said you previously that multiplying a digit many a times, counting by these digits, get our result or in the power form, that is 2 cube or 2 to the power 3. That is 2 to the power 3 means 2 multiplied 3 times, that is 2 into 2 into 2. Also number 9 is same, that it said that 3 to the power 4 is equal to how many 3's? We all know, I have said in number 8 also, number 6 also, and number 7 also, that counting the number of digits multiplied each other, same digits multiplied each other, gives us the power form, that is the main power form, that is here 3 to the power 4 gives us 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. Okay, 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. So here 1, 2, 3, 4. So here 3 is multiplied 4 times to get the result 3 to the power 4. And also in number 10 it said that 729 is equal to how many? 729 equal to 9 square. মানে 9 এর সাথে কত মাল্টিপ্লাই করলে 729 আসে আমাদের? আমরা সকলেই জানি 3 বার 9 কে, or 9 into 9 into 9 করলে আমরা জানি আমাদের রেজাল্ট আছে 729, or multiplying 9 3 times gives our result 729, we all know. So therefore our 9's power will be 3. I will show the solution in my copy, don't worry. I am just repeating the questions in order to make easy for all of you. And in number 11 says that 2 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. So number 11 says that how many 2's are there? Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here in number 11, 5 times multiplied 2 is there, meaning 2 is multiplied 5 times here. So the power of 2 will be 5. And in number 12 also, minus 2 in brackets is also multiplied 1 time, 2 time, 3 times. Therefore the power of minus 2 will be here 3. Okay. And in number 13, minus 2 is multiplied 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 times. So therefore minus 2 to the power 4 will be there. So I am shifting to the solution in order to make easy all for all of you. So I have written it. Please take a screenshot in order to make understand. Now I am repeating this just the quick. 729 equal to 9 to the power 3. Here 2 to the power 5. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 2 is multiplied 5 times. And in number 12, that is minus 2 to the power 3 or 2 minus 2 to the power cube. And here minus 2 to the power 4. Okay? Have you understood? Now I am shifting to exercise 5.3. So in exercise 5.3, number 1 is that let's express the following numbers in the product of power of their prime factors. So there are given 5 numbers, that is 24, 56, 63, 72, 200. And these 5 numbers, firstly we have to put out our prime factor, then we have to product in power from. Okay, now such as in 24, the prime factor will be as follows. I will show you a solution. I am just having a just quick revise. Now 24 prime factor is 2 multiplied by 3 times into or multiplied by 3. Okay, this is the prime factor of 24, and then we have to write in the power from, that is 2 multiplied by 3 times, that is 2 cube into 3 or 3 to the power 1. We have to write such in way. In your book it is such referred as, I am saying that 100 multiplied by 10, 10 multiplied 2 times gives us 100, or the prime factor of 100 is 2 into 5 into 2 into 5 into, okay, 2 into 5 into 2 into 5. Or we have to let the 2 and the 5 in a order, that is 2 into 2. We have to assemble it in a simple order, that we have to write the 2's in an order and we have to write the 5's, the 2 5 in an order. মানে আমাদের সাজিয়ে লিখতে হবে চারটিকে, তাহলে আমরা এটাকে অথবা এটার প্রাইম ফ্যাক্টরের পর এটা আমাদের স্কোয়ার বের করতে পারি অথবা আমরা পাওয়ার বের করতে পারবো। তো প্রথমেই বলে রাখি যে প্রাইম ফ্যাক্টরের ডেফিনেশনটা আমাদের বইতে বলা আছে, তা আমি একবার বলছি। অ্যান ইন্টিজার greater than 1 has the positive factor other than 1 and itself is called a prime factor number. Have you all know what's the prime factor? If not known, please come to the comment section, I will define. Now I am going to the solution. So previously I have said the prime factor of 24, that is 2 multiplied by 3 times into or multiplied by 3. That is 2 is multiplied here 3 times. I have said earlier that count the number of times the number of digits it's multiplied or repeated, that is 1 to 3. So here 2 is multiplied 3 times. So the power form of 2 is 3 and 3 is itself, and as 3 is ideal itself, so we have not to write anything on its power. If you write 3 to the power 0 or 1, it will be wrong. Keep at the number as it is. Okay, so 2 to the power 3 or 2 cube into 3 is our answer. Okay, this is our answer. Now we are continuing to number 2. Here also same way, 56 prime factor, that is 2 multiplied by 3 times multiplied by 7. So 2 is multiplied 3 times, 1, 2, 3. Okay, 3 times multiplied, 2 is multiplied our 3 times. So 2 to the power 3 into 7. So our answer is 2 to the power 3 into 7. So it's our answer. And number 3 is 63. So the prime factor of 63 is 3 multiplied by 2 times multiplied by 7. That is how many times 3 is multiplied? Here 1 and here 2. So 2 times 3 is multiplied here. So the power form of 3 will be 2 and multiplied by 7 keeps it ideal. Okay. As the number is ideal or 7 is ideal, we have to keep as it is. As it is not kept or written 1 or 0, your marks will be deducted as soon as possible. Number 4 is 72. So the prime factor of 72 is 3 into 3 into 2 into 2 into 2. Okay. So here 3 is multiplied 2 times. Okay. 3 is multiplied here 2 times and 2 is multiplied here 1, 2, 3. 3 times. Okay. Now 3 square into 2 cube. Why? Because 2 is multiplied here 3 times. So the power form of 2 will be cube, and 3 is multiplied here 2 times. So the power form of 3 will be square. Now number 5 is that 200. So the the prime factor of 200 is, we all know, 2 is multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 5. So 2 is here multiplied 3 times, 1, 2, 3, and 5 is multiplied 1 time only. So the power form of 2 is 3, because 2 is multiplied 3 times. So the power form of 2 will be 3 multiplied by 5, and this will be your answer. So I am shifting to exercise 5.4. So exercise 5.4 is that Let's put lesser sign or greater sign. Now, please correct the statement. Here it will be not or. Here it will be the statement. Let's put lesser sign or equal sign or greater sign. Okay. Now, these boxes I have filled. This is not true. Please don't copy them. This is not true. They are false statements. They will be not. Okay. Number 1 is 5 cube dash 3 to the power 5. Number 2 is 6 square dash 2 to the power 6. 2 to the power 4, 4 square, 7 square, 2 to the power 7, 3 to the power 4, 4 to the power 3, and so on. So at first you have to break the numbers according to their power form, such as here 5 to the power 3 or 5 cube, or here 5 into 5 into 5 means 5 cube. So 5 multiplied by 5 gives us result 125, and here is 3 to the power 5. So here 3 is multiplied 5 times, that is 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into multiplied by 3 gives us the result 243. So here the result is 125 and here the result is 243. So which is greater? This is the greater one and this is the lesser one. So we can say this, that this is lesser than it, or this is lesser than it, or this is greater than it. Okay, so it's a lesser than sign. Okay, now we are shifting to number 2, that is 6 square dash 2 to the power 6. 6 square means 6 multiplied 2 times, and 2 square means 2 multiplied 6 times. So 2 multiplied 6 times gives us the result 64, and 6 multiplied 2 times gives us the result 36. So which is greater? 36 here and 64 there. So 64 is the greater one and 36 is the lesser one. So here it will be also lesser one. And then number 3 is 2 to the power 4 dash 4 square. 2 to the power 4 means 2 multiplied 4 times gives us the result 16, and 4 square means 4 multiplied 2 times gives us the result 16. So here also 16 and here also 16, so the result will be equal sign. Okay, now in number 4, 7 square, and here is 2 to the power 7. Now 7 square means 7 multiplied 2 times gives us the result 49, and here 2 to the power 7 means 2 multiplied 7 times gives us the result 128. So which is greater? 128 is greater here. So 49 is lesser than, 128 is greater than 48, or 49 is lesser than 128. So it will be a lesser than symbol or sign, anything you can write a sign. So in number 5 it is 3 to the power 4 and it is 4 to the power 3 or 4 cube. So 3 to the power 4 means 3 multiplied 4 times gives us the result 81, and 4 cube means 4 multiplied 3 times gives us the result 64. So here 64 and here 81. So 64 is lesser than 81, because 81 is greater than 64. So it will be a greater than symbol. Okay, and in number 6 this is 3 to the power 5 dash 5 cube. That is, we have to say that 3 to the power 5 is greater or lesser than 5 cube. So 3 to the power 5 means we have to multiply 3 5 times, that is 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 5 times, that the result is ours 243, and multiplying 5 3 times, the result will be 5 into 5 into 5, that is 125. So we can say that 125 is greater than 243 or 243 is lesser than 125. So it will be a greater than symbol. Okay, greater than symbol. Now we are shifting to exercise 5.5, that is, in exercise 5.5 it is said that 2 to the power 5 multiplied by 2 to the power 7 gives us what? And in number 2 it said that minus 3 to the power 18 multiplied by minus 3 to the power 12 gives us what? And in number 3 it said that 10 to the power 8 multiplied by 10 square gives us what? And in number 4 it's given that 2 to the power 50 divided by 2 to the power 13 gives us what? And in number 5 it said that 9 to the power 15 divided by 9 to the power 14 gives us dash. And also in number 6 it said 11 to the power 6 divided by 11 to the power 4 gives us what? So I am shifting to the solution of all these 6 sums altogetherly. So for the sake of multiplication we have to add the 2 power side, such as in number 1 it's written that 2 to the power 5 multiplied by 2 to the power 7 gives us what? And in case of this first sum we have to add these 2 powers, that is 5 plus 7. We all know that the result is 2 to the power 12. So our answer will be 2 to the power 12. Okay. Also I have written in hence that please note it in your copy that hence power of both sides gets changed according to the symbol. In your book example it's also written. I have written it for your sake of convenience, so please write it in your copy. And in number 2 it said that minus 3 to the power 18 multiplied by minus 3 to the power 12 gives us what? I have said you previously number 1 sum that the power of two sides get plus or x. According to the rule of symbol of this multiplication, the power of these two side gets plus or added. That is, if we add 18 plus 12, that our answer will be minus 3 to the power 30. So this is our answer. Okay. Now we are shifting to number 3. That is 10 to the power 8 multiplied by 10 squared. That is similarly 8 plus 2 gives us the sum 10 to the power 10. So it will be our answer. And in number 4, it's written that 2 to the power 15 divided by 2 to the power 13. That is, I will do it in a shortcut method. But if you do this sum in this way, that is, if you do that, here it's written that 2 to the power 15, and the procedure you do that you multiply 2 15 times and divide it by 2 to the power 13 means 2 multiply 13 times. Then you cross it out, the answer will be 2 squared. But I will do this sum only in a very easy way. But this way is not only wrong, this is also the right procedure, but I will do it the same procedure but in a simplest method. So please note it down that in case of multiplication the sign gets to be added, but in case of division such example as book refers. That I have said you earlier that in case of power gets added, that is, if we add 15 plus 16, the result will be 2 to the power 31. But in this case of sum, it's division, and in your book it said that 2 to the power 15 divided by 2 to the power 13. So if we divide these two, the symbol gets minus or subtracted. That is, sum 2 to the power 15 divided by 2 to the power 13. As the rule refers, we have to subtract the power, that is 15 minus 13, thus the result is 2 to the power 2 or 2 square. Okay, have you understood all? And also in number 5 it will be also equal, because as the rule refers, we have to subtract the power from if we have to do the condition of the sum divide. So if we divide in this case 9 to the power 15 divided by 9 to the power 14, result will be 9 to the power 15 minus 14, that is 9, only 9. Please do not write the power of 1, because the power of 1 doesn't means anything, because if you write the power of 1 such as 9 to the power 1, the result will be also 9. So writing this except write is also 9. Okay, do not write this 9 to the power 1, because 9 to the power 1 I have showed you now that it's equal to 9, because 9 into 1 means 9, something multiplied by 1 means 9. Okay, so the result will be 9. So accepting 9 to the power 1, write only 9. And in number 6 also, it will be equal, because it's a divide sign in the middle, and here it's written that 11 to the power 6 divided by 11 to the power 4. That is, we all know that if we subtract 6 minus 4, the result will be 11 square. So our answer will be 11 square here. So as in this phase, we have to do all the sums in exercise 5.5. So have you understood all the sums? Okay, now I am shifting to exercise 5.6. So here in this chapter 5.6, we have to do that. In number 1, it is said that 9 square divided by 9 square equal to dash. Okay, and in number 2, that is 7 cube divided by dash equal to 1. And in number 3, it's 11 to the power 0 equal to dash. I have said you previously that something that's power is 0, that the result will be also 0, because 0 multiplied by something, the result will be 0. So here the answer will be 0. And number 4 is 1 equal to 13 to the power dash, or 13 to the power what will be, that the result will be 1. Okay. Now in number 5, it said that 1 equal to minus 13 to the power 1. And number 4 and number 5 are same, but here it said that minus 13 and here it said that only 13. And the meaning of these two sums are, what is the power to be multiplied by minus 13, and here what is the power to be multiplied with only 13, so that the result will be here only 1. Okay, now we are shifting to the solution. As Raj Malhotra had said me to upload my all the sums in English version, so from today 2 videos will be on English version and 2 videos will be on Bengali version. So keep following my channel and subscribe it to get all the notifications in my channel for future updates. So in exercise 5.6, I have referred you to say all the answers in a form, and I have said all the questions in previously. Okay, now in number 1, that is 9 square divided by 9 square gives us what? You can write also 9 to the power 0, because I have said you previously that 2 minus 2, because it's a divide sign, and divide sign means we have to subtract to the powers of 2. So 2 minus 2, if we write 0, or if you write nothing or only 9, your answer will be applicable. And in number 2, it is 7 to the power 3 divided by dash gives us 1. Now see, 7 to the power 3 divided by 7 to the power 3, 3 minus 3 gets us 0 or 1, or 7 divided by 7 gives us 1. Okay, so our answer is fulfilled. So we can write 7 to the power 3 as our answer. And in number 3, it is 11 to the power 0 gives us 1. We cannot write 0, but write only 1. Okay, and in number 4, it is 1 equal to 13 to the power 0. As 11 to the power 0 gives us 1, so 13 to the power 0 will also gives us 1. So here answer will be 13 to the power 0. And in number 5 it is 1 equal to minus 13 to the power 0. Also 13 to the power 0 gives us 1. So the minus 13 to the power 0 will also gives us 1. So our answer is fulfilled. Now we are shifting to exercise 5.7. So in exercise 5.7, number 1 or Roman 1 is said that 6 to the power 5 divided by 2 to the power 5 is equal to dash. Have you noticed the base or the denominators here? Here it's 6 and here it's 2 divided by, okay. The power are same, but the base of here 2, 6 and 2 are same. No. So if the two bases are not same, we have to do it like just as your book example says, okay. Also in number 2 Roman 2, it is not the same of the two bases, and also in number 4 the two bases are not same. But in exercise 5.5 the two bases are same in the three numbers, and also number 5.6 the bases are same. But in exercise 5.7 the bases are not same. So we have to do in your book method, that is, if it is said that 2 square by 3 square or 2 square divided by 3 square, we have to firstly multiply 2 as the power refers 2 times. I have said you earlier that in exercise 5.6 that if the bases were also same and the denominators or the powers are also same, we will also do this kind of method. But here in exercise 5.7 this method is applicable for all sums. But in exercise 5.6 I have showed you another method that is an easiest method for you all, but this method is for an universal method that you can apply it for all. So in exercise 5.7 it is number 2 dash is equal to 7 square minus 2 square, that is 7 square minus 2 square gives us 1. And in number 3 it said that 10 square is equal to dash and dash. We all know that something that the power is multiplied by, that here suppose here it's 10 to the power 2 or 10 square. We all know that 10 square means 10 into 10, that's 100. 10 square is equal to 100 and 10 into 10 is also is 100. And number 4 is, in number 4 it is minus 4 whole square multiplied by 6 square. That is, we have to firstly multiply minus 4, that is whole square 2 times, because it's a whole square there. So minus 4 multiplied by minus 4, the symbol of minus and minus we all know that the symbol changes to plus, and therefore multiplied by 6 into 6 gives us plus 4 into 6 whole square. As in this way you have to write in your book that minus 4 whole square multiplied by 6 whole square gives us only 24 whole square, okay. Because minus 4 in multiplied by minus 4, we all know that minus to minus or multiplied minus to minus, the symbol changes to plus. So here plus 4 or only 4 whole square multiplied by 6 whole square. So what will be the result? 24 whole square. So this is your B answer. And in number 5 it is 5 to the power 0 is equal to 1. Because something that the power is on topmost, that is 0, our result will be 1, because 0 cannot be the answer of anything. So 1 can be the answer of the power that is 0. And in number VI or number 6 it is that here 2 by 3 whole cube, that is 2 cube divided by 3 cube, okay. And as you can see that 2 cube divided by 3 cube, the sum or the result gives us 2 by 3 whole cube. So the result 2 by 3 whole cube gives us 2 cube divided by 3 cube, and the result 2 cube divided by 3 cube gives us a result 2 by 3 whole cube. So have you understood, students? As my thumbnail refers, I have completed till exercise 5.7, and in the next part or next video I will be continuing exercise 5.8 and exercise 5 at the main chapter. Let's work out exercise 5. That is the page number 76.